Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you the changing the individual value of data frame. Dear students, we are discussing about the data frame as a data structures of Python pandas, means two-dimensional data structures of Python pandas. Now today we will discuss how to access the individual value, or how we will modify the individual value of a data frame. Let's start the first of all. I'm going to explain you with the theoretical concept, and then we will explain you with the help of spider notebook. Now, modifying the single value of a data frame means data frame name is df, and the column name for that particular value is populations, and row is Bangalore. Index name is Bangalore, and column name is populations, and equals to new value. As we already know that the combinations of row and column is known as the cell value. Here the row is Bangalore and population is the column. So this cell value will be modified by the current value. So we can modify the individual value of a data frame. First of all, we have to write the data frame name, then the dot operators, and we use the column name, and under the list bracket, under the square bracket, we have to pass the row indexes and equals to the new value. Means by this syntax, the row or columns combinations value, that is the cell value, will be modified. Now next, how to delete or rename the column and row, means how to delete the columns of a data frame and how to delete the row of a data frame. So students, for deleting the column, we use the del command, means by del commands, and df means the data frame name, and under the bracket we will pass the column name that we want to remove from the data frame. Here the column name is density. So del df, and in square brackets we pass as a column name. Column name is density. By this syntax, the density columns of a data frame will be removed. Here we will use the del commands to remove the column of a data frame. But remember that in MySQL, we will use the delete commands to remember the row of a table. And to delete the column of a table, we use the alter command with drop. Next, to deleting the row of a table, means row of a data frame. How to delete a row of a table? Here we use the range of row number. Suppose data frame name is df, df dot drop, under the list we will pass the range value, that is index value, means the index value means 1, means one index number row will be the deleted. If we will pass the 1 colon 2, means 1 and 2 columns of a data frame will be removed. So for removing the row from a data frame, we will use the drop columns name. Means first of all, we have to use the name of the data frame dot row drop, and under the square bracket we will use the index number of a row. Now students, we will discuss how to rename the row or columns of a data frame. Means the existing row or existing column name can be renamed by using the rename commands. So first of all, we will use the data frame name. Here our data frame name is df, and then the rename, and under the function brackets we will use the index, and index equals to under dictionary, and column equals to under dictionary, means under the dictionary we will map the old column value to the new column value. So the data frame's column name will be removed. Suppose the data frame name is df, and the value column value is AB, and row value is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Now, if we want to remove this A and B with the small a and b, then we will use the df dot rename, and columns equals to under the curly braces, means the dictionary data format, means that this column will be modified with the this column value, and this column value will be modified with the this column value. So students, this command means the for removing the row and columns of a data frame, we will use the remove commands, rename commands, means we can rename the old column value with the new column value. So now, how to remove the old column value with the new column value. And next class, we will discuss the Boolean indexing of a data frame, means the how to provide the Boolean indexings of a data frame. Now, we will explain you these three concepts, that means the modifying the single value or deleting the row from a data frame using the Spider notebook. So let's share the Spider notebooks to explain this concept with the help of Spider notebook. So sharing the Spider notebook, this is known as the Spider notebook. Here we will write this is known as the in Spider notebook, where we will write the commands for the data frame, means the data frame commands can be used, means the by using the Spider notebooks, here we will write the data frame commands. Now we have to discuss the how to modify the single value of a data frame, means how to modify the single value of a data frame. Now the concept is that modifying the single value of a data frame. So first of all, we will use the data frame name, and then we use then we will use the columns name, and then the new value. That means the where the data frame name is df. So first of all, we will use the df dot and df dot population, means the populations columns of a data frame, df dot populations, and we will use the population, df dot population. Name of the populations field is the population, df dot populations, and under the square brackets we will pass, suppose we want to change the populations of Delhi. Now populations of Delhi, and these populations will be changed from the new populations, means the new data of the population. Suppose the new data will be the 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 2, and we use print df, means the old populations of Delhi will be changed with the new value, means this value will be the display in the field of populations, means the old data of the populations will be changed to the new value. Now if we want to add the one more column, suppose the one more columns in a data frame is a density, means if you want to add the one more columns of in a data frame, then we use the add columns, means we can add the one more column in a data frame. So suppose you want to delete, suppose we want to delete the, suppose there is a, the data frame name is df, means df, and in df we want to add one more column. Suppose the column name is density. The column name is density, and then we will provide the value for density, means that suppose the value is 12000, means the density will be provided. Density value means 1200 value will be stored in the all the row indexes, means the in Delhi the density value is 1200, and Kolkata the density value is 1200, in Mumbai the density value will be the 12, means the same value will be displayed at the each row. Each row means that 1200 value will be displayed in the at all the row positions. And suppose you want to display the different density, means the different value at the all row positions. So we will use the different data here. So here we use the LOC or ILOC. Means suppose the columns name, you want to add the column name as a density. Then the then we will use the LOC or ILOC. So the column data frame name is DF. Then DF dot LOC, means df dot loc. Means the in loc means location. Locations means the, it will passes that it will take the two arguments. First one is the row and second one is the column. So row here will row means the column, means all the row value. In the all the row value, the density value will be the, here we density value means the list of value. Here we will provide the list of value. So this is the density value, and this density value will be displayed. This density value will be inserted at the density columns of all row. Means the in the all row positions, the density value will be the this. So now if you want to delete the density columns of the data frame df, then we use the command just like if you want to delete the density columns of a data frame, then we use the del and space. To deleting the columns from a data frame, we will use the command del and columns del, and data frame name is df. Del df, and under the list we will use the column name. Column name is density. Column name is density. Now that is this density column will be removed from the data frame. Now we use the execute the program. That means again the density column will be removed from the data frame. So the column will be removed by using the del commands. And next class, students, we will discuss the Boolean indexings of a data frame. Okay, students, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye, students.